We're here, guys, in Park Safari. Now, who's excited to be seeing animals?
Toby!
And also an iguana and bears.
And dinosaur.
That's not true. They're extinct. So, first we're already.
Okay, let's go.
Look at the animals.
Yeah. Okay, one picture.
Closer, ayan.
And another big one over there. Another
Look, do this, look at me, like this.
Oh, look at that.
Like
See,
that.
it's
Yeah,
pong,
yeah, yeah,
it's
just
pong
like
pagong,
you.
oh. Okay, Toby, here. Tabi ka. Oh.
Ayun.
I want to borrow now.
Oh, yan, you can borrow. There's the iguana.
Hey, iguana. Iguana and a big turtle, oh. Iguana yun eh. Oh, pakainin nyo sila. Konti lang. Hala, ayun sila, oh. Hey, Toby, say hi, oh. Toby.
No, baliktad dyan. Kasi dapat pag yan.
Agis mo yung malakas. Malakas. Yun. Yun.
Dito lang lang update sa mga baby na. Mas pagila.
Yan siya, close up, oh. Yan eh. Kita nyo eh. So, picture kayo with the bear. Ayun, malapit na siya, oh.
Not yet, not yet. Wait, give me your drink.
Malapit siya.
Kuya Juan, dito kayo, dito.
Yan, stay there.
Ay, dito ka na taas. Stay there.
Gutom siya. Yung isa, ayaw niya bumaba. Tail. The long tail. Laki na nose niya, oh.
I want to.
Ayan, nose. Mouth.
Oh, there's
It's a
no
mouth.
others. I know what do we think.
White pelican. Hello.
Where gets your bones?
Don't tap. You know, don't tap nga. Don't tap.
I want to picture that one.
Do not tap, not too near because nagkakos ng stress. Ayun.
How come they get up there?
Yan yung isa. Yan yung isa.
Paano daw sila makakalabas doon?
No, they're playing hide and seek. Oh.
Do not tap.
I can see.
Oh.
We're here.
Yeah.
Let's see where will they come out. Maybe meron sila doon.
Yeah.
Entrance na iba. Or maybe they're there.
The cow.
Mommy, do you know we can do this? That we'll like go inside there and then they'll like.
Yeah.
But it might be out here.
Ha? Saan? Hello. Hi guys. Oh, Kuya Van, no?
Ah, they look so cute.
They look so
Hello.
cute.
Hello. Oh, they're like. Hello.
Oh, bato ko. Oh, Kuya.
I wanna pet their beak.
Hmm?
I wanna pet their beak.
Oh. Say hi. Hi po.
I wanna do the thing.
Pero bisa ko talaga playground.
The playground.
Careful na, why makatulog yung stroller.
Sumaligo!
Sheep. I found
Nandito na mga ano.
It's so cute.
Wala silang lupa.
Sheep.
I found a sheep.
The sheep.
Okay. Ah, you look so cute. I'll feed the sheep.
The sheep. They're hungry.
Okay, sheep.
Meh. Meh.
Sheepy there.
Saan mo lang yung... Yan, yan. Kumakain sila. Yan. Yun, yung iba dun, no? Nasaan na yung ano? Sure. Ito.
Wait, Dada, you hold the phone. And the bag.
Ito.
You hold the bag.
Yan. May horse pa pala, oh. The horse, oh.
Back. You'll get two. You get it. You get it.
The horse. Yung duck. Oh, yan na, yan na.
I get all of them.
Yan, yan. Busog na sila. Yan. Sumagpid dyan. Yun na, wolf oh. Iwan.
I know that, and I saw the big.
Where's Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig.
No, those are piggies.
Peppa Piggy.
Baka nila, baka nandun daw.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Bye-bye, Peppa Pig.
Dada, can you?
Oh, it's an ouchie. Sige, yun
Oh,
na.
it's here.
You want the kakatu?
Ah, oh, you will feed the kakatu.
Hey, I want.
Oh, sige. Okay.
Yeah, school is learned first and then your turn. One by one.
You picture me.
Yung kakatu.
Oh, pipicturean nga. Oh, yun na. Dali.
One, ako yan.
Oh, kuya.
Kuya, oh. Kuya.
No, hindi, hindi.
Not too close to it. Ah, yung...
Oh, yun na.
Doon ka.
Doon ka. Yung...
Isipin kuya.
Harap ka.
Oh, Novi na to. Oh.
Yan.
Oh.
Yan na. Yung
Wow.
chicken. Oh, yan, ayan. Oh.
Nice! You like
Ay,
it?
yan.
Oh, not too close, Novi. Not too close.
Tas mo, tas mo.
Yan.
Yan.
Yan. Yeah.
Close up. Smile, Kuya Juan.
Smile, look here.
Galing ah. Favorite, ano yung kinakain niya, Kuya?
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seed.
Kuya, look here, smile. Look here.
Di ba yung favorite pet mo yan? Di ba? Any bird? Oh. Toby, you want the bird, Toby, or the food?
Magkano sa pony ka sasakay? 100 din. How about the pony? You wanna ride?
You want to ride the pony?
Oo. Ikaw sa pony naman. Picture lang. Hindi natin siya papawalk. Oh, look.
It's done!
Yeah, yun tayo mo siya.
Meron pa siyang kinakain.
Oh. Ivan, look here. Ivan.
Okay na.
How about Toby? You want the food, Toby? The food or the bird?
Oh, I want to plant this! I want to plant this!
Oh, Toby.
Tara. Sige na. O, yung
Dali na.
hold it na lang. O, hold it na lang. It's friendly.
Sit ka daw, sit.
Sit ka.
Sit ka daw, dali.
Oo, sige na.
Ayun na, yun na. With Kuya, ayun na si Kuya, oh.
Sit ka lang dito. Just very relax.
Sit ka lang. Ayan, oh. You hold that. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Oh, yung picture. Ayun.
Yes.
Oh.
Bobby.
Oh, Toby. You say Clark Safari approve. Ah. Ganon. Ganon.
Oh, wait, one more shot. Let's go, Bobby. Approve.
Mommy! I found a lion! I found a lion! I found a lion!
Ayaw mo na nga. Diyos ko.
Lakad ko natin ang konti.
Ah, lalakad. Ayun, lalakad pala. Ayun, walk.
Video. Wow!
Toby. Toby. Say, you say, ano, Clark Safari approve.
Clark Safari approved! Bye, Clark Safari!
Another one, Clark Safari approve.
Kapag with Bobby,